Hi friends, welcome to follow up. In this video, we are going to have a look at problem 234, Palindrome Linked List. This is today's daily challenge problem. So we are going to solve this problem by traversal and by two-pointer trick. So here the context is that we are given the head of a singly linked list. So we want to check if it's corresponding to a palindrome or not. So in example 1, so it's you can see it's 1, 2, 2, 1. So this is the corresponding Python list. So it's indeed a palindrome. So in the second one, it's not, right? So you have 1 and 2 both appear 1 times or even or odd number of times, right? So if you have done a number of problems in leetcode, you may have some problems to check if string is a palindrome, right? So typically, or if a string can be arranged to be palindrome. For the former, you could just use two pointers to check that, right? And for the latter, you just need to verify that the odd frequencies letters can only appear once, right? So here the constraints are the following. The number of nodes in the list is in the range given by the closed interval, so 1 and 10 to the power 5. The lower bound 1 tells that the linked list is not null, while the upper bound tells us the problem size. So the node contains value is a digit, right? So with that said, we are ready to do that. So basically this problem is rather straightforward. We can make 2 steps. So step 1, so we do linear traversal or linear scan to get the Python list, right? So this is rather simple. So you can have a list that's the auxiliary, so like this. Then let's see, well head. So we are going to append the corresponding value of the head, right? And then we are going to move head forward. Head equals head next. So this way we are going to get a Python list. But if you like, you can also count the length. So here you see length is 0. So once you do an append operation, the length is incremented by 1. So we are going to do an increment by 1. So this way, after the while loop, we don't need to compute the length, call the length function again. So now we are going to use two-pointer trick. So notice that no matter the length of the list is even or odd, we just need to check n over 2 pairs, right? This over is integer division. For example, if you have a length that is 4, you need to check 2 pairs. This 1, 1 and 2, 2. If you have a length of 5, you also need to check 2 pairs because 5 integer division by 2, you get a quotient 2 and the remainder 1, right? So I can give you an example. So here, if you see 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, you just need to check this pair and this pair, 2 pairs, right? So basically this is rather simple. So for I in range, so let's say n over 2, right? Then we are going to check if the head one is aux this index. Then we compare to aux, so n minus 1 minus I. So you can think if I equals 0, so you are going to check with the index corresponding to the last index, that is n minus 1. So this actually verifies this is the correct pair indices. Then if this is not the case, so we're going to return false directly. So if after the for loop nothing has returned, we should return true. So that's the problem logic. So with that done, we can do a check. Yeah, it passes, right? So here is a interesting follow-up. Could you do it in O(n) time and in O1 space? So how do we do this in the O1 space? Actually, this is rather straightforward. So If you can think of that, that would be great. And otherwise, you can check out other videos in our channel. So with that said, I guess that's about it for the current problem. So if you are interested, you can also check those easy problems like palindrome number, valid palindrome, or reverse linked list, or maximum twin sum of linked list. So these two are related to linked list in particular. So it's just some very basic linked list operations. So with that said, I guess that's about it for the current video. Thank you.